If you are trying to open camera and you see this kind of error in your Samsung mobile, how you can fix this? So when I tap on the camera icon, here you can see security policy prevents use of camera error. So how you can fix it? And here you can see this kind of symbol also. So how you can fix this problem? So go to the settings and find developers option. If you don't have developer option, open about phone from here, and now go to the software information option, and from here find build number option and tap on it for 7 times, and now enter your mobile pin, and now you are a developer. So now you will find developer options, open it, and now scroll down and open quick settings developer tiles, and here if this option is off, turn this on, sensors off option, and now turn this off from here in the notification panel, and now turn this option off from here, sensors off option. Now you can also turn off developer options if you want. So now if we try to open camera, it will open normally. So now the problem is fixed. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more such videos.